Oh, Mohnesee. Hey, first time I've seen it on a sign. Well, it's down there, but it's telling us to mind you. Suppose we're on the other side of the dam, aren't we? I were hoping it were going to take us on the bridge. There's a bridge that goes over it. Well, it's probably the dam itself, maybe. I don't know. There's a road goes straight across the middle of it. Yeah, got to watch out for low-flying British bombers doing reruns of Carl and Black Label adverts. Remember that one? Oh, a cracking advert. It were Dambusters, and they were dropping the bouncing bombs, and there were a German guy like acting like a goalkeeper, and he was running across the dam and catching the bombs. And they kept dropping more bombs, and he kept catching them, and all of a sudden one of the pilots went, "I bet he drinks Carling Black Label." They were cracking adverts. The other one that we used to like and all of that. "Have you got any leeches for this?" That were another one that used to make me laugh. Do you remember that? Oh, classic adverts then. The reservoir that the Dambusters wanted to breach. Really? In case you're wondering why I'm laughing, oh, we are going over that bridge. Absolutely wicked. I'm chuffed to bits now. I'm just laughing because we've just approached. This is the Mohnesee or Möhne Dam that the Dambusters made famous, or infamous, whichever way you look at it. And as we approached it, I could hear Jonathan say, "Play the Dambusters" on his headset. Look at this, epic, absolutely beautiful, blue and all, isn't it, the water? That's awesome. Absolutely stunning. Right, well, we're camping here soon, as soon as we get here, so what a good do. I don't know what with all these coppers and things are on here, do you?
It turns out there's a triathlon going on. It wouldn't normally be a problem, but today it is.
Always worries me that. They're waiting for me. Yeah, so we've just seen our first sight of the reservoir anyway. Oh, next up we want to see the dam, don't we? Oh, saying turn left here and we can't. We can't turn left like we want to. Now what we're going to do? Oh, bollocks. That's what's going on today, because that's where our campsite is down there. Oh, hang on, it's rerouted. It's rerouted, going back over. Must be another part of another reservoir.
The sat-nav led us to believe that there was another way to the campsite. We carried on this road for probably 10 miles before it decided, oh no, you're going to have to do a U-turn. The love-hate relationship with the sat-nav continues. Little did we know, as we went round that bend, the entrance to the campsite was literally metres away.
Your eyes on the road, Shelley, before we run it back of a car. What's going on here? Of all the days we've come here, what's going on? Some mad event on, isn't there? We're lucky got in this campsite then, because I bet it's chocker. You know, I can't play the Dambusters theme tune on my video, otherwise copyright, innit? Yeah, but I mean, if you did it like just vocally like that, like you just did, surely that can't offend anyone to claim a royalty, you know? I'd have to look. It'd be cool if I could play music. Hey, all three. Got a treble. It's weird, isn't it? A universal togetherness of bikers, no matter where in the world. A biker sees another biker, they let on. Even if they're in the car. Oh, I don't know, what the hell. It's just 16 minutes. How can 14 kilometres? What the hell's going on here? That's that diversion, that one road that they've blocked off. It's added another 20 kilometres. So whatever this event is, they want hacking to bits. Yeah, can't believe that. Of all the times and all the roads in the world they shut for this bloody 1 hour, whatever it is, they should have known. They should have said, look lads, you need to get rid of these barriers. Sheldon from Moto Trip TV's coming. Well, we'll just let him through when he comes. Keep an eye out for him. But it's turning us round, isn't it? What's going on here? It's taking us back the way we've just come. It is. We're going through this estate, back onto that road and back up it. We didn't miss another turning, did we? We're going to have to pull over and look at this because, you see, the sat-nav doesn't know that road's shut, so it's going to keep taking us back to it. Well, why has it took us this long to do a U-turn? That's a lot. We've done a lot of miles there before it's turned us round. This is ridiculous. I need to pull over and have a look, see exactly where it's taking us. So next time we see a lay-by, it explains why. Oh, hang on, triathlon. That's what it's all about. Yeah, it is. Today's date. But this here. No. No. But they've cleared off, so that's a good thing. Hopefully the ones down here will have. Trust us, though, we're big in timing. If we'd have been later, we'd have been alright, but because we're earlier for a change, we got shafted. Can't believe how far out it took us. Yeah, it's right, next right. It's on the bend, isn't it? $400 metres.
Instead of the 20-mile U-turn, all we needed to do is about 20 feet.
He's doing the same, this guy in front. Oh. Oh, this is it, is it? Where do you want to? Where's the booking in place?
Well, we made a few wrong turns and had a few scary moments, and we also did the world's longest U-turn, but we are finally here at the Möhne Dam. This is the campsite, which is just a stone's throw, or should I say, just a bouncing bomb's distance away from the dam. Back to the campsite then. It seems this sign is pointing to our tents, so we would be staying on Sesame Street. After pitching our tent, we got a visit from this little fella.
What is it?
We're not sure what it is, we think it's some sort of water vole. It's cute and it was very friendly. It got very close to the tent and is clearly not very frightened of humans.
Yeah. Where have they gone? What's there, look?
Today had actually been a long day. Although set across a few videos, we did set off from our campsite this morning in Holland. We made our way across Holland and across Germany to Bielefeld, making our way to Rochdale Park and then down here to Mohnesee. The dam will be tomorrow, unfortunately. We want to spend plenty of time there. It's late, we're tired, and we've got our tent up and we're ready to get in it. In the next video, we will be doing the Möhne Dam.